Everybody, it's Cassie from Helper Tech Burnsville, and I just wanted to talk to you today about charge port repair. So this is a charge port for an iPhone 7 taken out of the phone already. With these, when a charge port is replaced, it's replacing the port, obviously. If you have any issues charging, if there's any problems connecting to like a computer, you'd get this replaced. But it also comes with the mics, these little gold squares here. So if you're having any issues on like phone calls where people can't hear you, or where Siri's having issues or voice typing, a lot of times this will fix that issue. And it has the cell antenna as part of it. So if you're getting a lot of drop calls, no signal, or just low bars, cell phone or a charge port can fix that. This is something that we can do at both our locations here at Helper Tech Burnsville or Helper Tech Eagan, now serving Mendota Heights. It takes about 45 minutes to an hour, and we can replace the iPhone 7 charge ports for $79. So if that's something you need, stop in and we can get that done. No appointment needed. Otherwise, you can give us a call if you have any questions. Phone number is 651-605-2575. You guys have a nice day.